আসসালামু আলাইকুম সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আশা করছি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। তোমার ইংরেজি বিষয়ে দক্ষতা বৃদ্ধির জন্য নতুন একটি কৌশল নিয়ে হাজির হলাম। আশা করছি তোমরা এইভাবে অনুশীলন করলে অবশ্যই উপকৃত হবে। তোমাদের বই থেকে প্রতিটি লেসন পর্যায়ক্রমে উপস্থাপন করা হবে। তোমরা যদি নিয়মিতভাবে প্রতিদিন একটি করে লেসন কমপ্লিট করো, আমি নিজে এর প্রমাণ অনেক উপকৃত হবে এবং আমি অন্যান্য স্পিকারদের কাছ থেকেও শুনেছি তারা এই বিষয়টি সাজেস্ট করেন। তো তুমি তোমার ইংরেজি বিষয়ে দক্ষতা বৃদ্ধির জন্য প্রতিদিন কমপক্ষে একটি করে লেসন নিয়মিতভাবে শুনতে পারো। তুমি যদি 25 থেকে 30 দিন কন্টিনিউ করো, আমি নিশ্চিত করে বলতে পারি তুমি এর প্রভাব উপলব্ধি করতে পারবে। তো চলো আজ আমরা প্রথম ইউনিটের 5টি কনভারসেশন নিয়ে তৈরি করা ভিডিওটি দেখি।
Situation 1. Talking to an unknown elderly person. Shimul is a student of class 6. She meets an unknown elderly person standing just outside her house.
Hello. Good afternoon, Aunty. Excuse me. Are you looking for someone? May I help you?
Oh, hello. Sorry, I didn't get you.
I saw you standing here for a long time. Can I help you?
Thank you, dear. I am waiting here for my daughter. She should be here in no time.
Okay. It may rain soon. Better you stand under that shade.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
That's okay. Have a good day.
You too, have a good day.
Situation 2. Helping a friend to find an address. Shreya and Raya are both students at the same school. Shreya meets Raya standing just outside her house. The conversation between them goes something like this.
Hey, what's up? Not much. Why are you standing here? Come inside, will you? No. I need to be at this address. Beauty can't find it. That's easy. Go straight and then turn left. This house should be the third on your right side. You don't say. I just have come from that direction. I must have missed it. Yes, you are. I am in a bit of a hurry. Some other time, perhaps. All right. Don't forget, I owe you one. Yes, of course. See you later. Okay, see you.
Situation 3. A conversation between a parking guard, Salam Miya, and a Kenyan student, Ali, who is studying at Dhaka University, about the parking of a bicycle, and it goes like this. Hey, you're parking wrong. Sorry? You shouldn't park your bicycle here. This place is for people with disabilities. Oh, okay. Didn't notice that. I'll place it somewhere else. That's alright, just park it right next time. I'll keep that in mind. Have a good day. You too. Situation 4. Meeting the school gardener outside the school who does not recognize Sifat. Sifat is a student at a high school. He meets the gardener of his school outside the school who does not recognize him, but Sifat does. The conversation between them goes something like this. Hi, Molly Cheka, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. Where are you going? I'm sorry, I think you mistook me for someone else. Do I know you? Don't say you didn't recognize me. You seem familiar. Where do I know you from? Come on, Molly Cheka. I am from your school. Remember how I asked you about gardening just the other week? How forgetful of me. You are Sifat if I remember you correctly. Guess I am getting old. Yes, you are. I am just going to the nursery to purchase some flower plants. For the school, I guess. Yes, indeed. I mustn't hold you back then. See you later. See you. Situation 5. Meeting your class teacher in a shopping mall. Jahid meets his class teacher Miss Shakina in the shopping mall. The conversation they have is somewhat like this. Hello, ma'am.
Hey, Jahid. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. I hope you are also fine.
I'm fine too. Shopping for the winter, I guess?
Yes, ma'am.
Me too. Are you with your parents?
No, ma'am. I'm with my uncle.
Give my regards to your parents, will you?
Of course, ma'am.
Well, enjoy your shopping.
Thank you, ma'am. You too enjoy your shopping.
See you later.
Yes, ma'am.